Okay, so first, before we're gonna dance for our cha-cha-cha, we have to create a beautiful knee action, leg action. So knee bent, longer, 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 push from the back leg, and only then step. Triangle, exhale, whoa. And now cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-ah, one. Creating beautiful long legs. Walk, cha, 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 and stay here. And now here, exactly the same backward. When you're going backward, we would like to have those triangles as well. And walk, triangle, and walk. And so you see, most of the time you're moving back, leg is here. So you have to feel like this knee being picked up, and there is a pressure with the opposite leg. Yeah, here over and go.
No weight there, right? It's just
and go. Walk and knee. Walk, knee. Cha, cha, cha. Yeah, try to get it twisted.
One for the back walk.
Yeah.
You want to do, so for example, when you dance, right? So when you land your leg, you see there is a long line here. There is no wrinkle on the transit basically there, right? So I'm extending it, right? And when I land, I'm trying to maintain that basically the same line here. So I'm not doing this, right? And bending.
Same line.
Yes, same long from the center here.
From the center, long line.
Long line. And then it feels like I'm over my front foot. So when I rotate, the most important, this, don't break there. So when you bend, you rotate inside the joint. So basically you just into your leg, into that. Walk,
So you can go,
like
and
this,
let's go.
and then go.
Walk, and walk, and cha, cha, cha. Now, having that in mind, let's go through our choreography, through this piece. 2, 3, 4, and 1. And now let's activate our knee. Walk, longer. Walk. Cha, cha. Walk, knee action. Walk. Cha, 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 cha. Excellent. Next one. Twisting. Run with the knee. Make sure the knee action is the walk, walk. Cha, cha, cha. Yeah, and remember choreography, of course. Remember the steps. Let's try that. Here goes. Cha, cha, one, go, and go. Walk, walk. Cha, cha, cha. Walk. Cha, 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 cha. Zigzag, but make sure that knee action is working quick and slow. Quick, quick, slow. And go walk. Walk. Cha, cha, cha. Walk. Cha, 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 cha. Zigzag. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now let's go through our cha-cha with that feeling. And going 2, 3, 4 and 1. Connect. 2, 3, 4 and 1. Twist and 3, 4 and 1. Forward walk. 2, close. 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Hip, hip. 4 and now bend your knee to the maximum. 1. Yes. Twist, twist. 4, 1. Twist, twist. 4, 1. Twist, twist. 4 and 1. And tap. Stay here. Bend knee to the maximum. Now use that knee action with the position of the back leg to step. Walk, walk. Excellent. Cha, cha, cha. Walk, spiral. Cha, 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 cha. With that knee action. Walk, walk. Run, run. Walk, walk. Flick. Cha, cha, cha. Tap, tap. In, out, cha, cha. 1. Let's go here for camera so people can see from here. Now make sure here this knee is bending to the maximum before you're going to check. 2, 3. Now bending that knee to the maximum and the other leg straight. 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Sit. 1.